Panama mwen tombe sa ki derrière moi, c'est li pou mwen. Oh, Panama mwen tombe, Panama mwen tombe, Panama mwen tombe sa ki derrière moi, c'est li pou mwen. Oh.
We fought to keep going in our work and to not let go of anything and to not back up an inch on the infrastructures that we have made. We don't want to close cholera, we don't want to close maternity, we don't want to close neonatology. We've had to reduce emergency room, we've had to reduce some of the pediatric, but we don't want to. We're there, we're willing. We don't want to go backwards. It's a good place, it's the best place, it's the only place. It has quality partners. Poverty is dark and grim and a closed door. The funds are like the gas that makes the car go. You know, that's what they are, and we sure want this car to keep going.
So you've seen where we came from a one and a half, 2 physicians full-time, now a team of 20 physicians, and just a hospital at a former hotel in Pétionville that collapsed during the earthquake, now to a brand new hospital since 2006. And we now can offer much more than when I started, which is really wonderful for a country where the statistics are really terrible. Every dollar that we receive is put at good work. We have a very motivated team, and we are committed to continue this work.